The guy in blue.
Let's go, Frank. Well, I think he's.
Okay, are you gonna go inverted over the top of
And give him the finger.
No, I'll chase him though. I am gonna chase him. The scale's not quite right.
Yeah.
Which one's
Well,
bigger?
just because yours is closer.
The F-14 is bigger. Yeah. In real life, the F-14 is huge.
Oh, man.
Oh, God. Don't play that on my video. It's going to end up saying copyright.
Sorry, it's too cliche. It's that when we try to post the video, it's going to be like copyright infringement. Oh, yeah, I know.
If it plays more than a few seconds, it's fine.
Coming out!
Takeoff flat. Landing flat.
Whoa, hey, whoa! Looks like I gotta change that servo in the nose. It keeps changing.
Take it off! Yeah, see now it's dead even.
Yeah. Oh, because it's not fighting?
Yeah, now it's dead even. The flaps are perfect. Like no funny business.
Right. Weird to see over there. Whoa!
Sorry, my bad.
Whoa! What the hell was that?
Was that a meter?
Don't cut back like that.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That was pretty close. Alright. You're on speed mode? That's alright. Still in speed mode.
I'm gonna go open.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, you're good now, right? Okay. I know. That's what I was saying. It's hard to see right there.
I'm gonna keep it close.
God, Orsini's like everywhere. Every now, boom, there's a plane. Then boom, there's another plane.
30 seconds.
All you!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
I've still got a little bit of time. I don't have to come in right away.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I can whip it now. All I do is just bank and yank. It turns.
This thing hauls even with the wings out.
Mm-hmm. You're good. What?
down.
Coming in.
Landing.
Landing!
Take it off! Landing! Take it off!
What was that?
Flaps up.
That's right, you got that big old 1300 brick in there.
Perfect. Landing! Yeah, see now on flap it is.
Now this just holds wherever you put it. You land no throttle? Holy crap, look at that. Nice, Frank.
Dead stick, baby. This plane is just...
Very nice.
Yeah, it flies. That's why when I couldn't land it the first time, I was like, something's wrong.
Yeah, because it just comes right in.
It comes right in on its own. Don't need to touch it. Don't need to screw around.
1 minute over.
Very cool.
Love it.